Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to easily overcome social anxiety. Overcoming social anxiety takes time and practice, but by using simple strategies you can reduce its impact and grow your confidence. Here's how. 1. Start small with low-pressure interactions. Begin by practicing social skills in less intimidating settings, such as talking to a cashier or greeting neighbors. Gradually increase the complexity of your interactions as you feel more comfortable. 2. Challenge negative thoughts. Identify anxious thoughts like "they'll judge me" or "I'll embarrass myself." Replace them with realistic and positive affirmations such as "people are more focused on themselves than me." 3. Focus on others, not yourself. Shift your focus to people you're speaking with. Ask questions or actively listen to show interest. This helps divert attention from your own feelings. 4. Practice relaxation techniques. Deep breathing. Inhale for 5 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and exhale for 6 seconds. Grounding. Notice 5 things you see, 4 things you feel, 3 things you hear, 2 things you smell, and 1 thing you taste. And these techniques help you calm your body and mind before or during social situations. And finally, 5. Prepare and plan ahead. Think of conversation starters or questions beforehand to feel less uncertain. You can visualize the situation going well to boost your confidence. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.